Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, markets are mostly lower. Beans down about 5 cents at 10.38. Corn down 8 at 4.81, and wheat down 9 at 5.57. Soybean oil is showing some gains on the fact that Trump could impose tariffs, 25% on Mexico and Canada tomorrow. This could slow Canada's canola oil coming into the United States. We also note that there's 300 million bushels of corn on the books from Mexico unshipped, and Mexico could retaliate tariffs on the U.S. corn. So that we'll be watching that pretty closely. Outside market stocks are higher. The dollar is higher. Crude's about unchanged, slightly below $73 a barrel. And here again, there is some reliance in the U.S. of Canada crude oil. And so we'll see if that tariff includes that oil that comes into the United States. And the gold market is about unchanged after making new highs yesterday on concern about the tariffs. We did note that the USDA Ag Secretary, through her confirmation hearings, said that Bassett, who's head of finance, will make the right quote-unquote decision about 45Z biofuels and biofuel credits. So that might give a little bit of hope to some people that they're down the road. The Trump administration might offer credits for biofuel. We also note that yesterday the U.S. soybean export commitment was up 12% versus last year. USDA is calling for up 8%, but the numbers were disappointing. Corn, you've got commitment up 20% versus USDA's up 7%, and wheat commitments up 7% versus USDA's 20%. Two other things. Number one, South American weather. We hope to get some rains in Argentina next week. Still watching how late the Brazil soybean harvest is and how late the planting of the safrinha crop is. We're also in Argentina. We noted that these rains are important, with Argentina lowering their good to excellent category in corn to 20% versus 29% last year. And the U.S. plains, weather-wise, remains dry in the forecast. And the U.S., we are watching India's February weather. It's going to be important that they get timely rains and not above normal temps. Right now, the forecast is dry with temperatures a little bit above normal. So we'll be looking at the Trump tariffs. We'll be watching global weather. It's been a very confusing week with the AI-generated algorithms buying early in the week, testing $5 corn, and then for the rest of the week we've been taking it off as we go into month end.